So this trade exited for a small profit, but I didn't let it hit TP or stop loss. Let me talk over it. What we done, what's the full process. So I've just been watching TJR's daily bias videos, and if you know about them, you'd understand what I'm going to say here. So weekly bullish, we've broken here above this high, we're bullish on the weekly. Daily, just do this high here, up, down, broke above, bullish on the daily. 4 hour, we're broken down, bearish. 4 hour bearish, daily bullish, that means retracing on the daily. As you can see what we're doing here. So I did have this 4 hour fair value gap marked out from here to here. We'll see these lows, still have the 4 hour highs marked out. We also have the equilibrium of the 4 hour leg up here for the retracement. To see where price would be good for buys for big banks, big money. So yeah, we have the 4 hour marked out, 4 hour fair value gap marked out, this low here, and 1 hour. We have this fair value gap marked out, we see it closes through it, so I took that off. This 1 hour fair value gap here as well, I've marked out. Price comes into it, takes out this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity, take off. So because the daily is bullish as well, we're looking for longs only, okay, not for shorts. So the price comes down, takes liquidity. We then enter the discount of the 4 hour leg. I take off the 4 hour fair value gap because I think we took it. I think, let's look. We traded through it. I got down to the 1 hour. Yeah, I took it off because on the 1 hour we closed through it. So then I kept this 1 hour fair value gap. I had this 1 hour low marked out, this 1 hour order block as well. So we have this fair value gap that's in the discount of the 4 hour price leg. So this is the main reasoning behind the trade. Weekly was bullish, daily was bullish. Daily is bullish, so we were looking for longs. 4 hours cut, broken structure to the downside, which means we're retracing on the 4 hour. If we're retracing on the 4 hour and daily is bullish, that means, if we broke structure on the 4 hour and we're bullish on the daily, that means we were retracing on the daily. Drop down to the 4 hour, we mark out the levels and that. So we're coming down into a discount of the 4 hour leg and a 1 hour fair value gap. On the 1 hour fair value gap, drop down to the 15 minute. What do we see? We see price chopping it up. It was spending very long in here, and I don't like this, to be honest. I'd rather see a quick reaction. But yeah, you see these fucking adverts, man. Should probably cut them out and upload it, but nobody's watching it. So this is what we got to deal with it. So remember, this is what I had to deal with, man. This is what I had to deal with, these fucking 30-second adverts. I don't even have the adverts, they don't release the fucking Nike adverts and shit. But anyway. Yeah, where was I anyway? Shit, what did I say? Yeah, before London session, so before 2 fucking dropped like shit, down into the hourly fair value gap, which is in the discount, was chopping it up. There's also this 15 minute fair value gap that overlaps with the 1 hour and the discount. Suppose you could say that's actually a 15 minute order block as well, couldn't we? We could, to be fair. yeah, from there to there's also a 15-minute order block as well, I guess. Although that takes out a bit of liquidity. I'd still say that's a 15-minute order block. Right? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, 15-minute fair value gap as well. That overlaps. Chopping it up, chopping up, chopping up. So we're in the 1 hour fair value gap, we're looking for a 15-minute breaker structure. Trade in, make a high. Hits 2 o'clock, so now we can trade. Do we break structure to the upside? No. Comes up, comes back down. This high, we're looking at that for a breaker structure. Comes up, do we break structure? No. Comes back down. Comes up, comes down. High, breaker structure. To the upside. I think I wanted to enter here, but because I'm on the trade replay thing, it pushed it a minute later. So I got it. Luckily, it went boom and moved down. So I got a better entry. Otherwise, I would have ended up here. Probably with a 15-minute breaker structure. But I didn't realise that it was right on the edge of London. I don't know if it would have been in or not, you know. Technically it would have been after London, so I shouldn't have even took this trade, which is bad. Fucking idiot. Anyway, we enter trade in the 15. Let's see, enter down here, price comes up. Hits this fair value gap. Comes down. Doesn't break structure, but then breaks structure here. After this close of the candle, I exited the trade because it broke structure to the downside on the 15-minute. I would have exited here again because we're on the 1 minute. I got lucky again and got exit for a little bit of a profit. Yeah. So we entered here, put stop loss below these lows, and I think I put it just below this 15-minute fair value gap as well. The proper take profit, I would want it above these hourly highs. But I was thinking we've had a lot of volatility here. It's chopped up a lot here. Price don't look like it's moving anywhere anytime soon. So I put the TP at the end of this liquidity void for about a 1-to-1, which is not good risk reward either, but you know. But yeah, on that 15-minute break structure to the downside, I cut the trade, but I got lucky and got a bit of a profit. But I'm going to say it was break even. Shouldn't have entered the trade anyway because it was after the fucking kill zone. I don't know if I should have exited it, but that is the reason, because we broke structure back down on the 15-minute. After trading up into, where is it? It's only 1 hour. So we trade up into a 1 hour. And then that 1 hour break structure back down to 15 minutes. So I don't know if we're going to trade back down. So let's see. See if I was correct for exiting the trade. Maybe not. It's going to close above. Okay, so I was wrong. I should have kept in the trade. Is it going to hit this 1 hour? Is it going to hit? Yeah. Okay, so I was wrong. should have kept in the trade, even though, but I shouldn't have entered it in the first place, to be fair. Although, yeah, I should have, because it's still 1 minute after bang. See, is that closed? I think I should have, but I might just say that because it was a winner. I don't know. Anyway, I was wrong for closing the trade anyway. What have I learned? Okay, because the analysis was correct from me. Weekly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, retracing on the daily, 4 hour, goes down below this low, trades into this fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap, 4 hour bearish. Oh no, we've seen the 50-minute breaker structure up. If daily wants to go higher, it's going to go higher. So I think what I've learned is, if we do get that 15-minute breaker structure up, just stick with the trade, because the daily higher time frames hold more power, don't they? So if the 15-minute does break structure and our daily bias is bullish, stick with it. I think that's what we got to learn from this one. Stick with the trade if it's in line with the daily bias. Yeah, thanks.